It's hard to improve on an already amazing product, but the Cart Blaster 2 has done it. It has 2 powerful nozzles, but can be configured for 4 if used with a large pressure washer. The oversized casing gears provide a significant advantage over the competition, with smoother motion and the ability to withstand greater pressure. The gears are made from a revolutionary self-lubricating hard plastic that's more durable than brass. Its large, stable platform and low-profile nozzle facilitate easy loading and removal of a wide variety of containers. Like its predecessor, the spray pattern completely covers the inside of the container. A Y-screen filter prevents particulates from entering the head and includes a bleed-off valve for cleaning. The Cart Blaster includes an on-off valve and T-connector for your pressure washer, so you can easily transition between the Cart Blaster and your wand. The Cart Blaster operates at 1500 to 2000 psi with a flow rate of 4 to 10 gallons per minute. Water temperatures can be up to 190 degrees. Cleaning a cart can take as little as 1 minute depending on several factors, including the pressure washer, water temperature, and condition of the cart. Find out just how easy it is to clean up those dirty jobs with the AquaTools Cart Blaster 2.